Gondor Pita Bread Production Line. Production process. Automated operation, simple and convenient. The raw materials are mixed evenly. Form a smooth and elastic dough. Press the dough into a sheet. Adjustable dough sheet thickness. Formed by pressing rollers. Make its thickness uniform. Transport the bread dough. Precise baking control. Freely switch between sizes. Multi-specification compatibility. Adaptable to various shapes. Customized according to your needs. Applicable products. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability. Innovation, precision.